This is Tearing Down the Wall, a Uni-cheeks production. Take 1.
Anything.
What are you talking about?
Fell.
No, what did you do?
She was like that.
I don't think so.
I didn't touch her.
Oh my God! Zach,
she killed her. She killed her.
We had an emergency.
She killed her.
Is she okay though?
What seems to be the problem? I got a call about a disturbance. Back up.
This is just terrible. I think it needs more, I don't know, drama. Let's do soap opera, okay?
That would probably work.
Tearing Down the Wall, retake 2. Action.
I did it for us! That's what you wanted!
No, this is my sister's sister! Oh my God!
Requesting backup at the corner of 4th and Washington. We have a white female, approximately 100 pounds, 5'3", requesting medical attention immediately.
I'm here!
She's weird. Let's bring it down to like a notch 10. Let's do it in slow motion.
Alright,
Tearing Down the Wall, take 3. Action.
Oh no!
Zach, I don't
Requesting backup. What happened?
It's over.
Oh wait, let's try something, I don't know, a little spooky. Let's do a horror film. That would be fun. Tearing Down the Wall, retake 4. Action.
Backup immediately.
there.